like sperm.
Yep, they are.
Oh my god, they moved!
Yes, that's why it moved.
Where is Chloe? I'll bring Chloe. Oh, they're too far away.
Dumi dito, honey. Oh.
Wait for it. Tita Jorel will make them move. Ang bilis ng isa, oh.
Ano, they're trying to get into the car to drive it away.
I can't.
Bilis, oh. Actually, mas marami dito.
Oh, shucks, ang dami.
Dito, ang dami.